Hi there, this is Dr. Kirsten Grant here. So I'm back. I just finished making my 10-minute crepes. Once again, you can use this recipe and you can make it sweet or savory, depending upon which side of the fence you're on. You can add veggies if you want to make it savory. You can add fruit if you want to make it sweet. Or you can just serve it to yourself plain. If you have kids, once again, this recipe is wonderful because your kids will love it. And it's sweet and it's simple and it helps you fight the urge to overeat. It helps you fight the urge to binge, and it helps you fight the urge to have food cravings, because if you prepare these, this recipe is enough to feed you for a full week. The crepes stay fresh for a week, okay? And it doesn't have any high fructose corn syrup in it, nor does it have any MSG in it. I used organic maple syrup to make sure there's no high fructose corn syrup in it. And if you eat a breakfast like this, you already prepared, you're controlling your calories, you're controlling what goes into your body, and also you know the ingredients here. So it's extremely helpful in that way. And those people that find yourselves nighttime binging, it is especially helpful because studies have shown for people that are inclined to binge at night, they've often skipped breakfast. So if you have something already pre-made that's helpful, that nourishes you, that doesn't have the additives that have been linked to food addiction symptoms like overeating, food cravings, and things of that nature, and binging, it reduces your chance of binging, and it reduces your chance of also gaining weight, because this helps you lose weight. And also taking these approaches like what I'm recommending helps you reprogram your brain, and all this winds up resulting in you once again losing weight. All right, so enjoy. Let me know how the recipe worked if you tried it. Bye. Oh, forgot to tell you also, this recipe as well as many others are going to be included in the cooking series, which will be available via edibleaddiction.com. And that's part of the group coaching series that will be coming up. Classes and spots are opening up for several special ladies. I like to run my group Lean and Mean. So if you want to learn about cool recipes like this, or even more recipes like this, come on in. The water's fine, or the crepes are fine. This is Dr. Kirsten Grant. Have a great day. Bye.